Are you noticing a softer and less defined jawline lately? It may not be just aging. It can be due to the heat and dryness also. So what happens in dry and hot climates is your skin constantly loses moisture in the form of sweating and other invisible losses, even if you don't feel it. So this dehydration can weaken your skin structure, while continuous heat and sun exposure speeds up the collagen breakdown. Collagen is what keeps your jawline firm. So this dip in collagen can lead to sagging of your jawline. Unfortunately, most people ignore the jawline skincare until very late. So at New Skin Clinic, we offer collagen boosting non-invasive treatments, hydration and contour facials for dry skin types, and preventive skincare routine tailored for individual skin type and climate. So a sharper jawline profile starts with deeper skin treatments, not just facial creams.